Let's move on to the Analytics Studio, where we're going to create a query to select out only the data that we want to use to actually build our model. The first thing I'm going to do is log in to the Analytics Studio, which brings up a list of all the projects that are part of my team. And the only project here is the one we just created. So I'm going to open this project, which brings me to the project summary screen. What we're going to do is start by creating a query. So to do that, I'm going to click on Prepare Data, and it's going to ask me to enter a name. I will do gesture punches. Select the session that we want to build against. I'm going to use the gyroscope trigger session. Label is punch. And we want to select different metadata that we can group the data by. So segment UUID and type are what I'm going to choose. And then I'm going to create a query filter where I filter out the type train. So we only want to pull in our training data. And I'm also going to filter out the types of punches, and I'm just going to select all of them and hit done. And then all I need to do is save the query, and it's going to tell us how many examples of each type that we have. Next, we're going to jump over to Google Colab environment, where we can pull this data in, and we'll use TensorFlow to train the model, which will then combine into our pipeline to be able to build a model that can run on an edge device.